Hello, so how to disable Gutenberg editor in WordPress. In case you don't know, Gutenberg is a default editor for WordPress 5.0, and anytime you want to create a new post or page, you will see something like this. So it's a bit different to classic editor. It looks better, it has more functionality, you can now add blocks, so it functions similarly to like Visual Composer kind of tool. Yeah, and it has a lot of features in. But in case if you're not ready yet and you don't waste time on like learning this new Gutenberg editor, you can easily switch back to your classic editor. So I will just show you how to do that. So you go to plugins, and what you need to do is to install a classic editor plugin. Just Google classic editor plugin, and here it is. And it's free, so you can just click here download, and then you will need to upload into WordPress. So let's just upload this plugin. Here it is, let's install it. And what basically it does, it just disables all Gutenberg functionality, and after you activated it, all your posts will be displayed as in a classic editor. So here you go, and you have old view. That's how you do it.